Hey, good morning, guys. Morning. Hey, guys, I'm walking to my daughter's room. It's too far, too far. Hi, good morning. Too far, guys. We're on a cruise ship. We're going to my daughter's room now. Yeah, I'm not sure what time I'm gonna get there, but we are walking to my daughter's rooms. Yeah, we've got 2 rooms, so it's room for the parents and a room for my children. So I'm actually going to. Hi. How are you? Good. Yeah, those are cleaners. Is their room clean?
Yeah,
Let me see their room. We enter. This is their room.
Your room is very clean. My suitcase.
This is their room.
I didn't must finish with
This is their room. Yeah, okay. This is nice. Okay. Your balcony closed. Okay, let me open the balcony. All right. So here, guys. Yeah, this is their balcony. You see. Now they sit here. See here. Let me hold my phone so it doesn't fall on the sea. Because otherwise if it falls on the sea, yeah. So this is the ship, guys. You can see properly, right? It's a sea, the ship. All right, you can see. That's my daughter there. All right. The ship, guys. We're on the balcony. Yeah, right. You can see there. So it will be leaving. Later in a few hours. So you can see there. All right. Yeah. So, but anyway, it's very good. It's a very good morning. This thing is, these are small ships. All right, guys. These are other balconies as well. It's on top, up to the 14th floor. Yeah. All right, guys. So, anyway, yeah, they've got their own TV here. Watch their TV here. Can relax, watch their TV there. My wife,
yes,
how are you?
Good, man.
Yeah, that's my beautiful wife.
This is a madam.
Yeah, this is my beautiful wife. Yeah. My son, my boy. Let's go. Let me go get socks. Come.
Yeah, socks must.
Oh, you've got socks. Okay, give it to him.
Isn't this socks?
Yeah, give it to him. Okay, sorted. All right. So anyway, yeah, we're preparing to go to the restaurant now to eat.